Welcome to BenchTimeBuilds. My name is Walt, and I want to show you what's on my bench today. Right here, I have a rendition or my attempt to recreate a 1989 GMC, which I could not find an actual model kit. So what I did is I kit bashed two AMT kits, a 1989 C1500 Silverado long box with a C3500 dually. The cab, excuse me, I bumped the camera. The cab is from the 1500, and the undercarriage is from the C3500. I did try to find a stake body, but I couldn't find anything 3D printed on Etsy, Amazon, eBay, or searching the internet. So I basically scratch built one from styrene. Everything in the bed is scratch built. The entire seal coating rig, the pump, the motor, the spray wand, the rear ladder rack is all built from scratch, along with the rendition of a Werner extension ladder. The only thing on the kit or involved with the kit that was not created by myself, I purchased it from a gentleman on eBay. I'll leave his name in the description. Was this 3D printed resin tar kettle, along with the which is supposed to represent a 100-pound propane tank. This was created after I created my 1972 Cheyenne, which I posted up some photos of. My first attempt was the Cheyenne. I've been doing this for like 2 years. I was drawn to it after creating or modifying a die-cast 125 scale 1973 short box pickup. I redid the interior, put a tarp on it, things like that. And then I found the 1972 model kit, which was a wedge truck model kit. That was either a wedge truck you can create it into, or wedge racer, car hauler type of vehicle, or you can make it into a long box Chevrolet pickup 1972. Which jumping into that, I really was drawn to the scratch building process of it, chopping the bed down, measuring, getting everything into 125 scale. Could not find anything except for one video that explained a little bit in regards to the process, but nothing really on dimensions, actual measurements. So I actually went online, looked for a real bed, and went ahead and jumped into the deep end and created that one. But that was my first attempt. Know nothing about airbrush painting, had no idea, just watching videos, which that's why I'm making this video. Is I enjoy YouTube so much, watching other content creators that make posts about scale models, dioramas, and it's just so enjoyable that I felt I wanted to show you guys something that I did. So this pickup, this was originally, the original pickup was a pickup that my older brother had. And eventually he gave it to my dad. My dad turned it into a work truck. And his was a 1989 GMC, as I said earlier. But being that I couldn't find that, I tried to do my best to recreate his. He had a stake body, but he went and modified it with the stainless steel under running boards or whatever, not running boards, but this underbody piece. He made that from scratch at a metal fabricator. I was originally going to do the gates in wood, but I couldn't accomplish the wood appearance by painting it. I tried to make some inkjet printer pieces looking like wood and then trying to attach them on there, but I really didn't achieve that to my liking. So then I just went with the gray stake body boards. Towards the end there, he went ahead and used that decking material that is similar to wood, but it's a lot stronger. He used that to make his side rails, bed gates. So I did that. This one here, again, not knowing much about airbrushing, I was able to two-tone it. There's a little blem right here on the hood, which after priming it, there was a little spot I tried to sand out and went too deep, and I figured if I paint it, it'll cover up, but it never did. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. What I enjoyed most about this model was the interior. Doing the carpeting, detailing the interior, modifying certain aspects on the levers that are on the steering column, because in the original kit, the levers, the gear shift, were not accurate for me, so I made those from scratch. He had in his pickup a back in the day mobile phone. I don't know if you can really see it inside there, but I'll have some images after this video which I'll show you somewhat of the build. So I recreated that cell phone from scratch, added a couple of the items in there, or one other item. He used to roll around with an aluminum metal briefcase for his contracts, so I placed that in there as well. But I'll add photos of my build, whatever I have, because at the end of the day, this is just a side hobby. I'm a roofer, so in my off time, when I have free time, just to clear my head, I do this. But I enjoy it. It's I know I don't think I'll ever be able to achieve the level of these other content creators, but I enjoy it so much that I just wanted to show what I've done. A lot of things that I've upgraded from the 72, like the detailing on the rims, I've gotten better. This grill didn't come out as nice, but it is what it is. Everything's learning. Everything's a learning curve for me, but I enjoy doing it. So yeah, this is my 125 scale 1989 stake body. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, I'll put some more photos after this. If you find any enjoyment, please like, comment, subscribe. Again, I'm not looking to become one of those guys that does this. I don't think I'm that good, but I just want to share and be a part of the community. So yeah. Oh, hold on. One last part. I also did the engine interior. Learned a lot here. The wiring for the spark plugs, I got better on that. Some of the detailing, I went from painting with a brush to doing some of the stuff with an airbrush. Not really great with the airbrush, but I'm getting better. So yeah, there's that. There'll be photos showing at the end, like I said. I know I'm talking too much probably, but at the end of the day, a little nervous. First time making a video. I'm not great at editing, not great at making a video, but I'll do my best, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it. So yeah, that's my truck.